Welcome to our tutorial on the Derived Sketch command. To create a derived sketch, I need to select the face or plane where I'll position the sketch. Then I Control-select the sketch. Next, from the Insert menu, I select Derived Sketch. The sketch appears right here. As you see, I can't really edit the sketch. All editing tools are in fact grayed out. If I try to delete the sketch, I get a warning message. Sketch entities can't be deleted from a derived sketch. Please underive the sketch before changing the sketch entities. Let's click OK. Let's use the Dimension tool to position our sketch. Let's say at 25 millimeters. And here. Oops. Right-click, Clear Selections. Let's say 7 millimeters. OK. And we'll exit our sketch. Now let's extrude. Let's say 10 millimeters. By the way, next to the sketch, we see the word derived. Now if I go and edit this sketch, and let's say enter a dimension of 16 millimeters here. OK. Exit the sketch. The derived sketch changes also, as you can see. Basically, a derived sketch is driven by the sketch it's derived from. If I want to break this link, I simply right-click on the derived sketch and choose Underive. Now I can go and make some changes. Let's change this dimension to 8 millimeters, OK. And exit our sketch. This concludes our tutorial on the Derived Sketch command.